So this is the foundation level maths, the Leaving Cert paper, 2019, and it is question 9. So you have the diagram on the right. There's your diagram. Shows a drawing of the logo of a company, little and large. It consists of a line and 2 circles enclosed in a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters and the diameter of circle S is 8 centimeters. It also shows you on the diagram that the height of the rectangle is 8 centimeters. Okay, so you see that there. You have your 12 centimeters is your length, your 8 centimeters is your height. This is your diameter of S, and it tells you that that's also 8 centimeters. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is find the area of the rectangle in centimeters squared. So to get the area of the rectangle, it is the length multiplied by the height, or the height multiplied by the length, which is 8 multiplied by 12, which gives you 96. So remember, when you're writing your answer, put in that it's in centimeters squared. So your answer is not 96, it's 96 centimeters squared. Now the next thing you have to do is find the area of the circle S, that's the big area, the big circle. Find your answer correct to the nearest centimeter squared. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So r is half the diameter, and you've already been told that the diameter is 8. So 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. So 4 is your r, your radius. So the area is pi by r squared. So it's pi by 4 squared. Put that straight into your calculator. Pi by 4 squared is pi multiplied by 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. So pi multiplied by 16. Now you can either put pi 4 squared into your calculator. Just make sure you put your pi and your 4 squared into brackets like this. Write it like this. Okay, if you're going to do it straight into your calculator. Otherwise, it's pi multiplied by 16. And the answer you get is 50.26548246. It says correct to the nearest centimeter squared. So you look at the number after the decimal point. Now that's a 2. A 2 is smaller than a 5, so it does not affect this number in front of it. So your answer when you correct it to the nearest centimeter squared is 50 centimeters squared. Now it tells you that the area of circle T, that's the small one there, is quarter the area of circle S. So find the area of the shaded region of the diagram. Now the first thing you have to do is find the area of the circle S. So the area of your circle T is 50. Now don't put in the round correct to the nearest centimetre. Put in the answer you got here with all the numbers. Now you don't have to put in all of them. Put in, say, about the first 5 after the decimal point. So the area of circle T is 50.26548. Divide that by 4 because it's a quarter. So to get a quarter of something, you divide it by 4 and you get 12.56637. Now again, don't round anything up yet. So the area of your rectangle was 96. Okay, where are we? The area of your rectangle was 96. From the 96, take away the area of circle S. Take away the area of circle T. And what you're left with is the shaded region. So that's your rectangle. That's the whole. Take away this bit. Take away that bit. And it leaves you with all your shaded area. So the area of the shaded area is 33.16815. Correct it usually. If it doesn't say, you could leave it, but I would correct it to 1 decimal place. So in this case,